Hi guys, today we are going to unbox the Canon DSLR battery packs. We have Canon T3i DSLR. So what we did is we ordered the batteries for Canon from Amazon and also original Canon. So let's see what's the difference, what it looks like. I had original Canon before, worked fine, in 4 years I think it's all died. Ordered one from back from one of the website of product, didn't work well. So now let's see this. So first I'm going to open Amazon one. So Amazon one comes with simple packaging. This very simple lithium battery. If you open it up, just simple plastic and doesn't have much in there. You can throw this, and that's what Amazon battery look like. On the front, nothing. No marking here, marking there. On the side, on the back, it acts Amazon Basics battery pack for all PE8 7.4 volt 1100 micro amp. That's what it is, made in Japan. You can see that's what the Amazon battery pack looks like. Now let's open up Canon. So this one is probably 12 bucks. This one is around 40 bucks. So price difference, huge price difference, 30 and 10 probably that. I forgot the pricing. Same LPE8 battery by Canon. Packaging, definitely a good packaging, right? There. Let's open it up. Packaging difference. This came with simple battery holder. It says Canon LP8 battery pack, similar to Amazon. If I take the take out from the battery pack, on the back it says all the same information. 1120 milliamp, 8.1. That was 8.4 watt, rechargeable lithium battery. Both are rechargeable batteries. You can see from this one perspective. This one, this one, this one. Okay, the good thing is it does have a battery holder. If you compare side to side, Amazon battery pack, pretty cheap. You can find it on Amazon Basics and Canon original one. Front, I don't think we care about what rating and all those, as long as it works. It's 1/3 the price for the Canon. I personally like Amazon Basic stuff. They're doing a good job with that. So if everything works out, I'm probably going to order more of these than the expensive one. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, like our video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and watch other videos that the kids are making. Bye bye.